Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw No Face from Spirited Away. So let's get started. To draw this awesome monster, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and we're just going to draw this ovalish shape. There, and then I'm going to come right across about this much and draw the same thing. There, and I'm just going to go ahead and shade this all in black. From there, we're going to, let's see here, underneath the eye, I'm going to go ahead and just lightly draw a curve and thicken it up right underneath the eye. So same thing here. So we're just thickening up the center. There. And then I'm going to come down, let's say about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw this straightish line. Just depends on what expression you want to give No Face, but I'm going to draw a little wide line right here. Curve it down and connect it. So almost like an oval. So if you want to make him happy or sad or mad, it's all up to you. So I'm going to shade this all in as well. Then from there, let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to switch to a gray marker so I can draw the marking. So it just kind of shows me how high to make his mask. So on top of this eye, I'm going to go ahead right in the center. Just going to draw a curve and I'm going to come up. The top is a little bit shorter and down. So it's kind of drawing like a horn. And shade that in. So same thing over here, right in the center of that eye. And it's going to curve and down. There. And then the bottom is going to be a slightly longer. So right underneath the eye once again. And it's going to curve. Well, actually, you know what? Let's go this way. So it actually pops out. And come down towards the mouth. And curve. I'm just making the bottom a little bit longer towards the mouth. So same thing here. And shade it all in. There. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and now that we have that in, oh, one more, almost forgot. No wonder it looked odd. Right underneath the mouth, I'm going to draw another one of this. So just another curve right here underneath the mouth. There, now it's complete. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw the mask shape. So I'll find the center of my eye, come out just a little bit. Same thing here, just a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and draw this big curve all the way up, nice and high, say to about right here, my center, and then I'll bring it down back to my other dot right there. Then we're going to bring it down, so I'm going to find my center, not too low, so let's say about right here, right underneath for his chin. And we're going to bring this down. So we're just kind of creating this very narrow, kind of this egg shape, long egg shape. So we're going to bring it down towards the chin. And it's going to be slightly narrower. And then just go ahead and connect. There. Yay. So now we've completed the mask. Then from there, it's all up to you how you want to draw his robe. You can put it over his head, but I kind of like how the mask just kind of stands out and his body is at the bottom of it. So I'm going to come right here. If you want to follow mine, I'm going to come about right here and we're going to pop it out. And on this side, we're going to give it a little bit more definition. And so about right here, I'm going to pop it out a little bit more. And then down. So then about right here, I'm going to wobble a little bit and continue down. So it's all up to you how much space you have You can make this longer than mine, but I don't really have much space, so I'm just gonna end it. You do want him tallish, right? So I'll end it about right there. And if you're coloring, you can color this all black and then get the color pencil, and towards the bottom you can fade it out without having to draw like a dark line to end it. That's another way you can finish this off. I'm just going to go ahead and connect it today with a line, with a curve, so that it looks like he's fading in and out right there, if you want to just shade it all at the bottom. But that is pretty much it for this drawing of No Face from Spirited Away, one of my favorite characters. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.